The Ministry of Transport has revised its list of countries whose passengers will be exempt from quarantine on touching down in Kenya beginning tomorrow when international flights resume. The revised list now includes passengers arriving from the United States of America, with the exceptions of the state of California, Florida, and Texas. Passengers from the United Kingdom, France, Germany, the Netherlands, Qatar, the United Arab Emirates, and Italy will also not be required to quarantine. Those countries join the ranks of Canada, South Korea, Namibia, Uganda, China, Rwanda, Morocco, Japan, Zimbabwe, Ethiopia, and Switzerland, which were made public on Thursday. However, countries such as Tanzania are still not on the list. Meanwhile, hundreds of Chinese nationals were at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport on Friday morning, waiting to depart the country. The travelers, who are mostly women and children, were set to board a temporary evacuation flight operated by China SA from Nairobi to Guangzhou. The chartered plane was only to carry Chinese nationals. Most of those who were traveling said they were leaving as a precautionary measure following an upsurge of COVID-19 infections in the country. The Chinese had earlier applied to leave the country, but the embassy turned down the request.
About the Chinese and whether we are concerned or not. The first thing is that we are not concerned about people traveling. The reason being said that we have also got plane loads of Kenyans who have, for example, left the UK, left the US, and come back home. So there are very many Chinese in Kenya, and I'm sure that they probably had an arrangement where they were going to be evacuated.
Just to clarify, first starting with the Chinese who came this morning, during this COVID period, we have actually been allowing essential services, and those people who were considered to be undertaking essential services. So this is something that had already been processed much earlier. It's only that it's coming very close to 1st of August.